Oh, hey, bro. What's up, man? I was thinking, what about trading yes instead of percentage yes, meaning no stop loss, and finding trades that give on average a higher percentage of gain than loss. I think you'd have to test out, like, you need the leverage and margin, right? Like, I don't know, I'm trying to find the words to explain it. Like, the way I'm able to be profitable, and I think most traders, is to take a large amount of money, which none of us have, so we use prop firms. And the leverage is probably massive in order for me to get a 1% gain on a quick 5-minute move. So I'm just trying to think how that would work. In order for you to capture a bigger move, it's going to make your position size super small by default. Otherwise, if it's too big, it'll just keep blowing the account and hitting the daily loss limit or the overall account loss limit. So the only way to avoid that is smaller position size, which means when you get the big move, you have a small position, so your gain should only be not big, if that makes sense. My brain kind of knows that's right, but it's hard for me to articulate it. And again, like, if we just want to make 15% a year on our own money. Oh, so okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to think, like, let's say you took a prop firm and you just held the SPY. And it makes 15%. One, I think they have rules in there that they don't allow you to pass off of one. They call it like a lucky trade. I think there has to be some kind of trading system, at least for funded next. They're not all going to be like that. So I don't know. It's a good thought. I just don't know. Currently doing this on the market cipher indicator I mentioned on. Okay, yeah. Good, man, good. Do you think it can produce, like if you look at your numbers, could it average like 2 to 4% a month? I feel like 2 is the minimum on average. It doesn't mean every month will be up 2%, because that's a 55% win rate 1-to-1. Ideally 4, like 4% is what I'm targeting. Nice, dude. Okay. Let's go. I'm really hoping we get a nice kind of short setup. Yeah, we have a pair of wicks right now, but this one broke the high, so I don't like that. Hoping for one more. I like that it's at yesterday's high. Gives me a short bias. I should probably throw these off for now. It's funny, moving averages, they can throw you off, because if I'm looking for a short, you can like get in your head that you're going against trend, which, yeah, it's going against trend, but I'm a counter trend trader. Not always, but they're good. If I don't get a signal here and I get a nice push off of here, then I can take that. But generally when it's at yesterday's high, I find short is the biased. Okay, you said, yeah, dude. I don't know if you can send me a message on YouTube. I'm not sure. I guess you could comment it, but then it'll be public. Sweet, man. Yeah, that'd be great. You have a #1 badge next to your name. That's awesome. Does that show up on your side? You rated my top fan. That's hilarious. Congratulations. My top channels fan. Looks like you get points on it. What the heck? That must be new. That's awesome. Come on. One more. Oh, why does this keep doing this by default? I don't like that. I just gotta update my tool here for a sec. It keeps defaulting to 0.10%. That's not gonna work. 1%. 1%. 1-to-1. No, I don't want that. Oh, guys, I'm so torn on this move to break even thing. I'm testing it out. Yeah, I'm testing it out, but I hate when it kills a winner. Okay. And sometimes it glitches, and I don't like that. Not glitches, like, yeah, it'll move to break even when it shouldn't have. I don't like that. It kind of messes with me. You ever looked at something as simple as 1 minute double top or double bottoms? I was testing it out on FX Replay. Short-term success with it. The problem is you have to sit through a lot of noise, and you have to be ready to pull the trigger every 60 seconds. You have to keep waiting for that candle. But at 5 minutes, we get these 5-minute breaks where you can relax a little bit, and it's a lot more patient. Just curious. Look at these two candles, the difference on these two. One's red, one's green. That's no good. Different data streams. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna flip back to my it's funny, it's hard to flip back to a live account. Like I don't want to experience the loss. But yeah, I opened up that second account strictly to save profits that were pending in my live account. So gotta put the big boy pants back on. If this closes like this, I'm gonna take it. Context, yesterday's daily high. Consider it extended. I love a good top wick. So this is why it's hard to explain. Like, I need a specific look for me to take a single candle. If they look more like this one, it'd have to be two of them. But see, if this pushes down too far and gives away the entire move, then I just hold off. And if it pushes up with the big bottom wick, then I'm gonna hold off. See, I don't like if it gives away too much of the move. Right? We're not looking at some crazy market structure. I'm just trying to capture a push. And then, you know, too bad. That's too big. So hopefully it gives us another push up and a rejection. Oh, I love that. A little double wick. I don't know how to get off this brush tool. I'm gonna check out your little tool. Sorry, not little tool. Yeah. Not to undercut it. Oh, that's not it. Market cipher. This one. Oh man, let's see if this trade ends up. I don't think so. It could. Anything can happen. I just didn't like that it gave away that much move. I'm not in this, of course. I'm just seeing. Nice. So that was a winner. Too bad. Well, not quite. Not quite. Definitely a break even. Maybe I'm too picky with my, thinking that was too big of a candle. I don't know. But now you might get something off the moving averages. Let's take a look. I don't know if you're still on, little investor, but I'm trying to figure out this tool. It looks cool. I'm always asking the question, what is it telling me that I couldn't already see on the chart? Like if it's creating a high or low, and it's just giving me these low, like I'm trying to, yeah. So like my brain already sees that this move has happened, that it's going down. Then I get some like this candle right here. Like what is providing this little green dot that's giving you this signal? You know, and then you would have got taken out with a stop, which is fine. That's the risk on just taking a single candle. We try to look for doubles. This one could have wigged you out. It's an interesting visual though. Funny how like weird things can work. See, this is a weird one. Hmm. This is interesting. Alright, I gotta get back to real time here. Hold on a minute. We might have a trade coming up here. Heck yeah. I'll take. Heck yeah, heck yeah. If it closes, it's gonna close nice. We have 2 more minutes. Well, see, funny, if I'm using this, I wouldn't even, it's not a trade, but how about using this? This is exploring right now. Oh, how quickly things change. Okay, well, I gotta figure out what this market cipher thing is, because there's some interesting patterns here. Oh, what is going on here? The smoothed average of a typical price to identify overbought and oversold. Oops. Look at that candle forming right now. Sick. pretty cool. Time is it? Okay, possible trade coming up here. I like this. I like this. I like this. Man, look at all these things this guy's made. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are posts. These are posts. Very interesting. How do we get out of this now? What the? How do I get out of this? Dude, seriously, how do I get out of this? Go back to US30. I've never clicked on these guys' things, so how do I get out of here? Oh man, that candle was looking so nice, and now it's gone. That's no good. What the? I can't figure this out. Maybe I was using the other one. Okay, this is my main one. Oh, dude, look at that candle. Oh my gosh. This thing's crazy. But see, this is interesting. This is where this would throw me off. You got this killer pullback support, and this is saying we're at the top. Maybe you can build a system around it. I don't know. That's where backtesting comes in, to see if it's messing you up or if it's doing good. I need that to close green though, so we might not get a trade anyways. No way, man. So this is interesting. Where did you get the top? Up here. Yeah, that's no joke. Like, sometimes its calls are unreal. Okay, let's put this to a crazier test here. Let's I'm gonna rename this tester. Let's put that indicator on. Let's take a look here. Where can we go back to? Let's try the month of August. Okay. Alright, so you're doing your thing, you're waiting for this little top. If you just didn't engulf, you got annihilated. Alright. If you wait for something I would wait for, okay, see, this is where this would throw me off. I don't get a signal here, but this is incredible. I love that. That's where this tool would throw me off. Let's see if you get something here. Okay, you got your green dot, but a horrible candle, so I don't know what I would do with that. this one. That one plays out nice. So that I skip forward, right? I only use this in my time of trading. So this gives you a green dot. You get annihilated. I like what's going on here. We just gotta wait for... Give us something nice. Dude, I'm telling you, there's still something to this double wick. Like, this one fakes you out. This one you wait for the double, 2 green wicks, and you're flying. But I'm just thinking if there's any validity to this tool. Also, this is setting up real nice. It has to close. It's got to close. There's one thing I wish this tool did is it doesn't move my profit. Like, it has this lock button, but it never works. 1 to 1. Lock the 1 to 1. Or is that locking the profit target? Interesting. No, see, that's not working. This should be moving it. No, it doesn't work. It's a glitch on this tool, but that's okay. Dude, the amount of times you could have got in here that looked like it was going to be good, but then you wait for the closure and it's no good. Gotta wait for these candle closures. For my strategy. Okay, this is cool, man. Cool tool. Getting your red signal, but okay, the open comes. You get another red one, but like those were bad candles, so it's still one though. Interesting. Red dot. Where's your next green dot? Okay. Oh, you would have got annihilated there. So you still have to look at your candles. That's the first candle that's like you could consider it. Okay, you get it annihilated. Where's my double wick action? That's 2 wicks, but the bottom broke. There's the golf. I'm essentially trying to figure out if I would need this, if this tool adds any value, or I'm also probably not using it correct. Okay, folks, I don't think I'm getting a trade today. And that's all good. So I'm going to cut her off.